Hello and welcome. In the last lesson, we learned that there are four logical functions: and, or, not, and if. In this lesson, we will look at some advanced uses of these logical functions. In this example, we need to check whether the baggage complies with the rules mentioned below. The dimensions of the baggage are specified in these cells, and the weight is specified in this cell. If the baggage complies with all the rules mentioned below, we need to enter yes in the cell. Otherwise, we need to enter no. So let's write the formula as equal to if. Now the first argument in the if statement is the condition to check. Based on the baggage rules, we can write the condition as follows: and height less than 80, comma, width less than 80, comma, breadth less than 80, comma, height plus width plus breadth less than 150, comma, weight less than 22. Notice that we have used the AND statement because all of these rules should be simultaneously satisfied. Now the next argument is the output if the condition is true, which in this case should be yes. And the third argument is the output if the condition is false, which in this case should be no. So that's the formula we need. You can see that in this case the output of the formula is no because one of these conditions is not satisfied. The sum of the height, width and breadth is 165, which is more than 150. So this is an example of how we can use the AND function inside the if function. Now let's look at another example where we will use an if function inside an if function. In this example, we have a list of individuals in column B, their exam scores in column C, and in column D, we need to create some tags based on the exam scores. If the exam score is less than 4, then the tag should be low. If score is between 4 and 8, tag should be medium, and if the score is greater than 8, then the tag should be high. I can write the formula as follows: equal to if C5 less than 4, then the output should be low. Otherwise, the output can be either medium or high. Therefore, I need another if statement here. If C5 is less than 8, so that means C5 is greater than 4 and less than 8. So the output should be medium, and otherwise the output should be high. And I close both the brackets for both the if statements. Now let's pause and look at this formula. The first if statement has the condition C5 less than 4. If this condition is true, then that means the exam score is less than 4 and the tag should be low. This part is easy. Now, if this condition is not true, then that means the exam score is greater than 4 and the output could be either medium or high. Therefore, we need another if statement. This statement checks whether the exam score is less than 8. If C5 is indeed less than 8, then that means that C5 is greater than 4 as checked by the last statement, and it is less than 8 as checked by this statement. Therefore, the tag should be medium. And if this condition is false, which means C5 is greater than 8, then the tag should be high. If you press enter, you can see that the output of this formula is medium. Now I can copy this formula and paste it in the other cells of the table. And you can see that the tags correspond to the exam scores. In this case, the exam score is greater than 8, therefore the tag is high. In this case, the exam score is between 4 and 8, therefore the tag is medium. And in this case, the exam score is less than 4, therefore the tag is low, and so on. So this example shows that we can use an if statement inside another if statement. This type of if statements are called nested if statements. So in this lesson, we saw two interesting uses of logical functions. In the next lesson, we will talk about summary functions. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.